What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video, I'm going to be restoring a bunch of vintage razors. So, for those of you guys that don't know where I've been helping my dad flip a house. It was owned by a nice older lady who is now in a retirement home. Her husband sadly passed about 8 years ago, and it's my job to sell everything in her house. She has stuff from, I'm going to throw some pictures up on screen of vintage wood tools, vintage watches, BOLO watches, Seiko watches, a bunch of crazy vintage stuff, vintage Mickey Mouse plushies, a bunch of crazy items. So my plan is with the next probably few months of videos is going to be a bunch of BOLO items mixed in with my normal Wubny's business ventures, eBay one-on-ones, etc. But let's go ahead and look at the razors. So let's take a look at some of these razors. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. I'm not going to be cleaning everyone in this video, but I'm going to be cleaning a few of them, and I'm probably going to throw these up as a lot, similar to what I did with the wood tools, because the wood tools have about 5 days left and they're already up to about $120. But you can see the condition. But yeah guys, enough talking. Let's go ahead and let's get into it. Also, my room's kind of a mess right now, so don't even worry about that. But we're gonna go ahead, and I think I should do 2 razors. We're gonna go ahead and do this one, and probably this razor maybe. But we're gonna put these aside. I'll clean these off screen before I list them in the lot. I'm just gonna be using basic Windex in combination with some fast food napkin. Keeping it simple, keeping it easy, you know. We're just gonna go ahead and spray the napkin with some Windex. Get it nice and moist. Be careful not to cut myself with the razor, and we're just going to, you see, very simply do this. Try to get most of the big stuff off. I'm not really too big on cleaning metal, cleaning razors. I've never really done anything like that besides what I use to manscape. So it's very new to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a basic wipe down, and then with do a basic wipe down with some Windex, and I'm gonna see what I need to do after that. So after one wipe down, that's what that looks like. You know, still dirty, but let's go ahead and do it to the other one as well. This one seems a little bit more nasty, and I have seen a few videos by Odd Tinkering. He's a great guy when it comes to just watching the actual restore process. He doesn't talk in his videos, but he has great content. And like I said, I don't know too much about restoring metal, restoring razors, so I'm just gonna do a basic wipe down, make these look decently clean. And after a basic wipe down of the blades, go ahead and throw those over there, you can see they look great already. It's just, you know, a few minor, maybe some rust, maybe some just dirt and grime. If I had some sort of sandpaper, I would use it. What I'm probably gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and clean the handles up a bit. Just paper towel, Windex, you know, nothing nothing special. Just, oh yeah, look at that. Look at the difference already, baby. We scrub, put a little bit of some elbow grease into it. Look at that, it's just coming off. That is great. Ooh, this looks a little nasty though. If you look inside, ooh, I might have to clean this a little bit more off camera. I don't have the tools to take it apart, so it looks like this might be the best I'll be able to get this one. I guess I could probably take a Q-tip. I could try that, a Q-tip, and just run it through here. The red handle's fine. The red handle's great condition. Red and wedge trademark. See this, some of these razors, like this one just seems like a basic vintage razor, right? There's nothing on the handle. But this one's got like embroidered logos to them. Let me take a look at the other ones real quick. This one's, those are both red IMP or red imp. These look like these are the same brand, and these just seem separate. So I think what I could probably do is I could try to look these up individually, then list these for as a lot of just vintage razors. Yeah, I mean they already look a lot better. Those two have been cleaned. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the other 4 very quickly off camera. So guys, I have wiped them down very briefly. So I'm thinking of doing something similar to this for the eBay picture probably. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna look up these red imp wedge, red IMP wedge razors real quick. And then I'm gonna see if I can get any info on those separate, and then I'm gonna lot these 4 up. So I'll be back with you guys in just a second. So guys, looking these up, they go for about anywhere from $30 to $50. Let me see if there's some sort of number on here maybe. Oh yes there is. Okay, so 132, and then this one is 133. So 132 right here goes for $20 plus $4 shipping. That's a great BOLO item right there. Easy ship. Or it also, the red 132 also goes for $51 depending on the condition. So this condition's a little more towards the bottom, so I'm gonna probably throw this up there for probably $24 plus shipping. Looking at it, it goes for about the same for this one. This one with the case, which I actually have the case for this one. This is 133. This one goes for about $40 in decent condition. So these two alone, great money. So I'm guessing like this one right here, it looks just like this one, $12 plus shipping. So I'm thinking if I lot them all up, I could probably get 8 a piece. You know, that's what, 8, 16, 24, 32, about 32 bucks. I'll probably round it up to 36 plus shipping, try to get $40 for the pair. But yeah guys, that's the razors. Like I told you guys before, I got these from Helping Flip a House. The lady, nice order lady, great order lady. You know, she didn't need them anymore. She wanted me to sell them for her. Everything I get going down the middle, 50-50 cosign deal. So I'm gonna go ahead, list these on eBay, and you guys will probably see these in a BOLO video soon. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and keep flipping.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil' homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist. Fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit. I'ma have to move on the low.